Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, March 30th, 2016. We have a lot to talk about today, so let's dive into it. High pressure is currently moving right over the northern Atlantic, leading to light and variable winds. Meanwhile, scattered cloud cover to clear skies are in place, with temperatures a bit chilly for this time of year, basically in the mid to upper 20s over the interior and lower to mid 30s along the coast. A few upper 20s are mixed in over portions of southern New Jersey as well. So this is pretty much what happens when you have clear skies, light winds. You get that radiational cooling with a very dry atmosphere with dew points in the teens. We should be in the upper 30s to lower 40s for lows, so clearly a very chilly morning. But the good news is that we will rebound with temperatures by this afternoon in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the majority of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. Over Long Island, coastal Connecticut, maybe portions of the New Jersey coast, will have temperatures in the lower to mid 50s, especially with that influence from the Atlantic Ocean. On the radar, we are high and dry, no threat for rainfall for today. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see that high pressure system moving over the region. And then off to the west, we have a cold front that is starting to develop and move to the east over the plains and will reach our neck of the woods by tomorrow night on through Friday with periods of showers and possibly a few isolated thunderstorms, as this will be the leading edge to a rather chilly weather pattern starting off on Saturday night and continuing on through the middle of next week, with temperatures a good 10 to 15 degrees below normal for this time of year. So it's definitely going to be rather chilly as we head into April. So let's dive into this forecast for this afternoon. Look for winds to start to develop out of the south as high pressure moves off the coast. Highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s over much of the region, lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast and especially on Long Island. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover with a southwesterly wind at around 5 to 15 miles per hour, increasing to 10 to 20 miles per hour. Look for lows in the mid to upper 40s. And for tomorrow morning, we'll see increasing clouds throughout the day into the afternoon hours. Look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the mid to upper 60s throughout the region. Much warmer, actually above normal for this time of year. But on Thursday evening, a cold front will approach. Now, look for widely scattered showers in the evening, and not a washout, but a bit of a nuisance. More rainfall expected by Friday morning, and that will be heavy at times with a few isolated thunderstorms mixed in as this cold front moves through by the afternoon hours. On Friday, look for lows in the mid to upper 50s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the immediate coast. Lower to mid 70s are possible in the Philadelphia metro and the Delaware River Valley right around here. Now, with that being the case, if you get enough widespread rainfall, these temperatures will be a bit cooler, more in the mid to upper 60s, so we'll keep an eye on that. Not expecting any severe weather at this time, but these thunderstorms will be capable of heavy downpours, occasional lightning, wind gusts over 35 miles per hour, and possibly even some small hail. So that cold front moves through. And then we get to Saturday. Now, Saturday is going to feature one cold front that moves through, primarily dry. Can't rule out an isolated shower, but for the most part, just scattered cloud cover. Lows in the lower to mid 50s, highs in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Then the real polar and Arctic air comes in on Sunday with the next cold front that blasts through. And again, we'll have these little troughs and weak disturbances moving through, leading to variable cloud cover and an isolated threat for a rain or snow shower. Not a washout, not anything widespread in any way, shape, or form, but can't rule out a rain or snow shower on Sunday. Look for lows in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. We should be in the upper 50s for this time of year for high temperatures. On Monday, high pressure will be in place with sky cloud cover, lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. On Tuesday, we're going to watch this low pressure system track towards the mid-Atlantic coast. Now, let me stress this. This is a fast-moving area low pressure that's going to track towards the southern New Jersey coast and exit as fast as it approaches. Looking at some rain and snow showers, especially on Tuesday morning. I'm not seeing any realistic support. I know that there's snow maps floating around on the internet and in social media. Ignore them, throw them out, burn them. They're making the same mistake that they made with the last storm. So look for rain and snow showers that are moving through on Tuesday morning. Could see a minor accumulation on some grass on the highest elevations above 500 feet. We'll keep an eye on it, but it's not a major event in any way, shape, or form. Look for temperatures on Tuesday in the lower to mid 30s over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast for lows. Highs in the mid to upper 40s. Then on Wednesday, high pressure will be in place with rather chilly weather conditions with lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the mid to upper 40s along the coast and upper 40s to lower 50s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.